What's up everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to add a rich text editor to our Django project. As you can see, I've already made the web application. It's an easy one. So in this section views, as you can see, I have two views defined here, the home view and the post create view. For the home view, I'm just retrieving all the posts from the database and displaying it in a home.html. And for the create view, post create view, we are just creating new posts, right? And then in the model section, I've defined a post model which has four fields: title, content. You can see content is the text field, and the dates. And then I think that's it. So we're going to start by running the migration so as to create this table so that we can be able to create new posts. So let's run the migrations. Let the manager.py make migrations. I've created the table posts, the model, and then we can now migrate. Okay, the database is set up, so we can now let's run the server. We see how this page looks like, this site. Okay, so we come there. Okay, oh, and for the routes, I've not told you about the routes. The routes I have I've defined two routes here: home route and the new route. For home, the home view. For the new, where we'll be creating our new posts. So let's go home. Okay, at the moment there is no posts, and so when you click the create, it will take us to the where we can create our post. As you can see, it's just the basic one. Yeah, there's not the text editor, right? Okay, and then let's create our super user so that we can access the admin site. So I can just do a quick python manage.py create super user. Okay, I'm just gonna say admin pass admin. Okay, now let's run the server once again so that you can access the admin site. For the admin too, notice that the fields are just normal, how they look like, right? The normal way. Okay, so to add a rich text editor, we will start by installing a Django package known as Django CK editor. Let's check it out. We will install a package known as Django CK editor. We've installed Django CK editor. For my case, I have it installed already, so I think, yeah, requirement already satisfied. So you can just run that pip install and to install the Django CK editor. Then after installing the Django CK editor, the first thing you'll come and register it in our installed apps section. Installed apps. So you just say CK editor, right? Okay, after that, now we can come to our models, and instead of text field, we're going to change that. So let's import. There's a field that we're going to import from the Django CK editor module package. I mean, from CK editor dot fields import rich text field. So instead of text field, which is from the models, we're going to change that to rich text field. Sorry about that. we're going to change it to rich text field, right? So because we have changed our post model, so it means you're going to run the migrations again. We're going to make migrations. When you make a change to a post model, to your models, you have to run the migrations again. See, alter field content on posts. We have altered the field content. Then we can now migrate the changes. Okay, we can clear. Then let's run the server once again. Okay, let's come to our, we refresh. Nothing has changed, right? It has just minimized, which is, that's how it will be when you use the Django CK editor, but nothing has changed, right? We don't have what we want. But let's come to the admin section. There's a change, right? This is what we want right here, the text editor, right? So that when we create a post, we can say like new post. We can say this is my new post, so we can style it how we want. For this, we can say we can use heading 2, see that it enlarges it. Let's say we want to make this post bold, we can make it bold. We want to make this new italic, see, then we can save. But this again, it is in the admin section. We want it to be also functional in our site, right? So let's make it available to our site. To make it available to our site, you'll come to the template section and post create.html. I'll just minimize that, and here we have a simple HTML page, right? And here we will just come, yeah, this is our form here, so we'll just come where the form is. Under the CSRF token, you can add form.media, and that will do the trick. When you just add this form.media, it's super easy. It will bring the text editor in our site, just like that. You see, it works, looks beautiful. You can create another post saying new post 2. Hello guys, this is my new post. Right, then you can now do some styling so it look beautiful, stuff like that. You know, you can do a lot of things. You can come here, you want to change the color maybe for some reason, how you want. Then you click posts. Okay, as you can see here, we are not we have escaped the HTML, right? So we are going to make use of a filter known as self, so that we can, the HTML can be passed, it cannot be escaped. So let's come to our home.html. We can use we'll use a filter known as self, right? So that HTML can be executed, not to escape it. So we need, and here it is, it works okay, right? Yeah, I think that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you for coming to my channel. Subscribe, like, comment. Thank you.